just want to testify about the 40 days that Papa give us. One of the, at least I've passed my exam because it was not easy. God have made many things in my life.
Wow.
So, last month, as Papa give the 40 days, one of my friends called and said, somebody is looking for a land, that he will give my contact to the person. So the lady called me and sent his brother here. The brother came. I go around town. I know many lands that they are selling. So I go around town, show the lands, and he look one behind here and say, this one. So argue. At last, they take the land. I, as the demand share, I must look small thing now.
Hey, the God of provision.
So I really thank God for that, my brother, that connect me. I thank God.
Amen. Alors le frère remercie Dieu parce que papa avait prophétisé. Il a dit dans 40 jours les choses vont se passer dans nos vies. Et il a expérimenté cela parce que un frère l'a appelé des États-Unis. Il a dit qu'il va acheter un terrain et il a connecté son frère à quelqu'un pour acheter un terrain et il a eu sa part de... Alléluia.
Amen.